12:55 p.m. We are at the girls' school again. Eden's class is going to be putting on a little play, so we came to see that. It's Saturday morning and we are just getting ready to go on a hike. We have to drive like an hour and a half to where we're going. Got the whole crew. One thing that is good about this hiking area is that it has this rail that you can hold on to, and it's working out very nicely. I have the baby on my back. This is where we're at so far. We came from up there. Easy hike down. Kid friendly. We've seen lots of kids. A small little puppy. A couple of elderly women as well. Hiking for 8 hours now. We ran out of water. We're gonna have to start drinking the river. So about halfway down to the lake. Is it a lake? Spring. Halfway down to the springs, there is a nice little shaded area, and you can feel the mist from the little rapid right there. So we are about 3/4 of the way now, and there's another little, yeah, we're almost there. There's a nice little shaded area right here again. Eden just tripped. We had to stop and clean it. We are pulling up to this run-down bridge. It's pretty sturdy, but there is a big hole right there. That's how far we've come. No, we're not done. All right, we have arrived. The good thing is they have a porta potty right here, and there's a little shallow part right here. The last time we came here, it was super busy all through here, but there's a bridge right over here that leads to the other side. That side is not as shallow, so if you're coming here and you have kids, you definitely want to stay on this side. We decided to get in the water and just fill it a little bit. The girls got their legs wet, I got my whole body wet. Felt pretty good. Doing giddy up with my braids. She's steering me. Giddy up, giddy up. We are about halfway back up, and it's definitely a lot more of a challenge going up. We made it back up at the top. We're going to a new hiking spot, still in the same area, and it's still pretty windy, but I am wearing Daddy's shirt and sweater, so our second hiking spot for the day. Going back to sleep. One thing that is really like a bummer to see when we go on hikes is all of the graffiti. Like there's so much beauty in nature already, and then, you know, when you get further down, it gets a little more steep. So if you're coming here with small children, or maybe even elderly, just be a little more cautious. we are almost to the bottom. We stopped at this beautiful waterfall to get some pictures, and this one is gonna try walking for a while. Ha. We are all done with our hikes. It was definitely a lot harder going up that second location. That's what happened when Eden fell.
Show them mine, Mama.
And then RC ended up falling.
We get a little scratchy.
But they both did so good.
Yeah.
Oh, my favorite part was the waterfall in the last one.
Oh yeah, I forgot we saw a snake. We saw 3 snakes, huh? Come on, Maxie. No, you don't lick mommy's mouth. No. You Come here, Jackson. Good boy. It's Sunday afternoon. We're having a late lunch. Daddy's been doing some yard work all afternoon. I think it's like 3 o'clock right now. Marcy needed help with a project idea. Tuesday when she goes back to school, they're gonna have bubble day.